With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question for today is that an urn contains 25 balls numbered from 1 to 25. Suppose an odd number is considered a success, then two balls are drawn from urn with a replacement. So find the probability of getting at least one success. So we have been given that total number of balls equal to 25. Total odd numbered balls equal to 13. So now we need to find the probability of at least one success. So probability of at least one success can be given 1 minus the probability of failure. Therefore, we can find the probability of failure as so for probability of success at least one success they need to draw and one odd ball. So probability of failure goes by selecting none of the odd balls, that is 2c2, into by picking both the even balls, that is having probability of 12 by 25 each. So from this we get that probability of at least one success equal to 1 minus 2c0 12 upon 25 the whole square. So this is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.